Hey guys, what's up? Passive Baller here. So dito na tayo sa second game for this June 9, 2000. Is it June 9? Oh, June 9 nga. Sorry. June 9, 2022 PBA game day. Second game, 7:15 p.m. This will be in Inares Antipolo. The game will be between Rain or Shine, Elasto Painters going up against NorthPort, Batang Pier. Batang Pier pa rin ba sila ngayon? NorthPort, Batang Pier nga. Pabago-bago kasi, so nalilito ako. So again, Rain or Shine versus NorthPort, 7:15. For Rain or Shine, this will be their second game. They are at 1-0 right now kasi nga tinalo nila yung Converge on their first game with that 2-point win. Tapos yung Northport, this will be their first game for the season. Yung mga hindi pa dyan nagsasubscribe, click lang yung subscribe button dyan. Sama nyo na yung bell logo para matik meron kayong notification kapag meron tayong bagong prediction, mapa NBA man yan o PBA or ibang sport, matik may makukuha kayong notif para di na kayo mag-search pa. Alright, so let's check yung Northport Batang Pier na lineup kasi again, this will be their first time that they will be playing in this season. Masasabi ko lang dito sa Northport, medyo naliliitan ako sa kanila. Kasi nga nawala si Slaughter, di ba? Nagkaroon ng problema sa kanyang kontrata and everything. But hindi naman sila maliit, as in maliit, but siguro nasanay lang ako na meron silang 7-footer sa gitna, di ba? So, ang magtitimon sa gitna nila dyan would be, of course, Arwin Santos. Arwin Santos, and then si Troy Reich. Kevin Ferrer, I know natural position niya talaga would be a small forward. Pero with this kind of lineup, baka talagang mag-ano siya. Mag power forward siya pati si Cruz. So again, hindi siya ganoon kalakihan talaga. Kung ikukumpara mo siya sa bigs ng Rain or Shine, andun sa Belga, andun si Ponferrada, andyan pa sila Torres, mas malaki ang Rain or Shine. But um, with Arwin Santos, man, we all know what Arwin Santos can do. Kabisado na rin niya sila Belga and Arwin. I just have such high respect to what Arwin can do even at this age of his. Man, kayang-kaya niyang sumabay sa talunan man yan sa rebound or sa scoring. Sa Guardia, dun ako parang nagsaside towards sino to? Towards Northport. Because, of course, number one reason ko dyan, nandyan si Bolik. And Bolik has a lot of reasons as to why he should be, how do I say this? He should be motivated to play well. Diba? Alam natin na bagong kasal din yung tao, and alam din natin na madaming chismis na binato sa kanya nung nangyari yon. So, I'm pretty sure he would want to go out there and play well to silent all those critics of his, 'di ba? That's the best way around it eh. Sa totoo lang, kapag tinitira ka, laruan mo ng maganda, wala silang masabi, maghanap na naman ng masasabi yung mga yan. Not only that, of course, not only Bolik, ang ganda ng combination yan kasi nandyan si Taha. Taha is a very good hustler. Diba, na-rebound yan, na-depensa yan, maganda katawan yan. Even way back nung NCAA days niyan, dun sa sinusubaybayan ko na yan. And I was very excited for him to be in the PBA. And now that he is in the PBA, isa yan sa mga pinaka-paborito kong hustlers na guards. Not only that, nag-improve na rin sa offense si Taha. So, yun yung magandang combination. Marami ring magiging magic hugot dito si Pido Harencio, si Subido. Napakaganda ng laro niya nung nasa UST pa niyan. Kinuha ni Pido, syempre UST, di ba? Tandiyan din si Sumang. Si Sumang na maaasahan mong umiscore anytime, man. Bigyan mo lang siya ng pagkakataon, bigyan mo lang ng bola, kaya niyang umiscore. The spread is at minus 1.5 in favor of Rain or Shine. This will be hard kasi I just don't know how Northport would actually fare without that Greg Slaughter in the middle kasi medyo nasanay na rin sila kahit papaano, di ba? But man, basing it on how Rain or Shine played against Converge, a very young Converge team, I'm gonna side with Northport. I'm gonna take my chance with Northport kasi kita mo naman muntik pa nga silang maiwanan ng Converge, 'di ba? Muntik pang mag 9 points, mag double digits yung lamang ng Converge. Siguro kung hindi lang mga bata yung Converge, baka natambakan pa yung Rain or Shine, if you know what I mean. Talagang may mga bagay pang hindi pa lang natututunan yung Converge kasi nga bago pa sila, marami rin silang rookies, 'di ba? So, I'm picking Northport Batang Pier on this. Medyo mahirap siya kumpara dun sa mga previous games natin. But again, if since I have to take my pick, I'm picking Northport Batang Pier plus 1.5. Northport plus 1.5. Peace out, Pasay love, and God bless.